Are you ready for an adventure? Ready to explore the charming streets, taste mouth-watering cuisines, and soak in the rich history and culture? Then get ready to embark on a solo journey through Europe, a continent that promises unforgettable experiences. In this video, we'll unveil Europe's finest, revealing the top 3 solo travel destinations that will leave you mesmerized. First up, we have Spain, a country that perfectly blends sunshine, history, and vibrant nightlife. Start your adventure in Barcelona, where you can admire the magnificent Sagrada Familia or wander through the enchanting Gothic Quarter. Next, head to Madrid, known for its world-class art galleries like the Prado Museum. Finally, make your way to Granada and let yourself be captivated by the stunning Alhambra Palace. Spain will ignite your wanderlust like no other. Next, we journey to Italy, a country synonymous with beauty and romance. Begin in Rome, where ancient ruins like the Colosseum will transport you back in time. Then, venture to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, where you can feast your eyes on masterpieces like Michelangelo's David. And let's not forget about Venice, with its charming canals and unique gondola rides. Italy will leave you spellbound with its art, architecture, and exquisite cuisine. Last but not least, we arrive in Greece, a country filled with mythical tales and breathtaking landscapes. Begin your solo adventure in Athens, walking in the footsteps of ancient philosophers at the Acropolis. Then, head to the stunning Santorini, known for its whitewashed buildings and stunning sunsets. Finally, make your way to the island of Crete, where you can relax on pristine beaches or explore ancient Minoan ruins. Greece will offer you a truly immersive experience, connecting you to its rich history and natural beauty. So there you have it, Europe's finest, Spain, Italy, and Greece. These countries will awaken the wanderer within you, offering unforgettable moments and the opportunity to create lifelong memories. Which one will be your first solo travel destination? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Happy travels!